Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. This episode will show you how a round perforated cover plate is made through a multi-stage stamping process. Inside our stamping workshop, we're equipped with presses of various tonnages to meet the needs of each forming stage. First, on a 260-ton press equipped with an automatic feeding system, we complete the blanking operation and punch the initial perforation pattern with precision molds. In the second stage, a smaller hydraulic press is used to draw the sheet edges upward and form the flanges, giving the cover plate extra strength and a three-dimensional shape. Finally, the part goes through trimming, deburring, and leveling to ensure accurate dimensions, smooth edges, and a clean surface finish. At this point, the round perforated cover plate takes its final form strong, precise, and visually refined. And that's the finished product you see here. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more manufacturing insights from HLC Metal Parts.